All right. Good day for today. We have some package that arrived. Whoa, so special. Just saw it, and wow, that's unbelievable. We're about to do unboxing. I can't believe it. It arrived right away. That's one package. Second package. All drive road racer. And third package. That is sick. Oh ho. Alright. So we're about to do unboxing on this one later. We got 3 package came in. Yes sir. Alright, so it's a good day today. I can't believe it. I got 3 packages that arrived today. I feel like I just ordered this one yesterday. But yeah, let's do unboxing. And I got 3 packages. Came from Synergy Autoworks. That's unbelievable. That's like 1-day ship. I can't believe it. See, I got 3 packages from them. Alright, so let's unbox all 3 packages at the same time. So we know already that apologies, it's my eyes. That I just ordered this one for the GTR the other day. I think yesterday. Today is what? Today is Wednesday. I think I just ordered this one this Tuesday morning. But let's see. Let's unbox this one and see what we have. But yeah, Synergy Autoworks, man. It's from Carlsbad, California. All-wheel drive road racer is the company. But that's unbelievable. We got the package right away. Let's see what we got. That is sick. Let's double check how good the quality is. Make sure there's no crack. Make sure that we cut it properly. Not gonna damage anything. Alright. First is boom. Throw it away. Damn. We get the carbon fiber cover. No scratches. That is so beautiful. Clean look. Right? Let's see what side is this. This is the driver's side. Okay. Alright, let's continue. That is the driver's side. And this is for the passenger side. These are the cover for the battery and brake fluid side. Alright. Boom. Let's see if there's no scratch. Blah blah blah. Boom. There's no scratch. That is clean. Alright. Move along. Right? That's the first box. Okay, second box. Huh. What's inside of the second box? It's small. I didn't remember if there's a small one. That's weird. Oh, the center. engine cover. All right, let's see. About to say. Unboxing some new parts. Alright, let's see, still tight. Bam. Alright, there you go. Carbon fiber engine for the manifold. Engine cover, no scratch, that's clean. Right, let's put it away. And last is this is the long one, which is this is the where the radiator coolant cover is. All right. That's crazy. Boom. And we got the final piece. That is clean. All right, let's take a let's see what we got. And we got all 4 pieces. All right. Shout out to all-wheel drive road racer from Carlsbad, California. Synergy Autoworks. Pretty great products. Pretty great carbon fiber. All the carbon fiber are smooth, so clear, and no damage. 1-day shipping. That is unbelievable. Shout out to them. Kudos to them. But yep, we're about to install this one, and let's create a video for that installation. All right, see you guys later. I can't believe it, there's another package arrived. What the heck is going on today? Boom. Yeah, let's get that one and let's unbox this one. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see what we got in there. Can't believe it, there's another package. Let's unbox that one real quick. Let me see here, let's move over here. There's no way. Yes sir. Right, number 4 box just arrived. Let's unbox this one and let's see what's inside. I can't believe it. I didn't expect this one to arrive. It's well packed. It's probably one of the longest package that I waited. I have no idea which one is this, but boom, let's unbox this one. And let's see what is this. That's a big bubble wrap. Sounds heavy. What the heck? fat. That's the air duct for the rear bumper. What the? Yo, that is huge. Oh my god. What are we gonna do to install this? Now, if you're talking about carbon fiber solid, this is solid carbon. Look at that. That's for the rear air duct. That's the design. What? There is no way. What are we gonna... Alright, there you go. We got it.